guys, so there really wasn't enough snow for that, but it's not every day that you can say you rode snowmobile on May 8th. We'll see what it's like in the morning. Maybe I'll get up early and see if there's a little bit more out here. But anyways, I was talking to my mom on the phone earlier, and she said that the latest recorded snow in southeast South Dakota that they've ever had was like May 12th, and we're only off of that by 4 days. But she said they're supposed to get 1 to 2 inches down there. I'm not sure what we're gonna get here, but that was fun. That was cool. That's only the second time I've had that old Rupp running. I do need to tear the engine down this summer and put new crank seals in it, but otherwise that's a fun little rig, just like all the other little ones, I guess. But it's a blast. I got to get the tank cleaned out on that one too, and get it lined or figure out a different gas tank for it, because I just got a little dummy tank next to the floorboards. But anyways, I thought I'd show you guys that just because it's fun and it's cool. We'll see what we have in the morning. Maybe I'll get up early and get it back out again. But in the meantime, I'm just going to show you my cold looking flowers here that the wife thought she needed to buy the other day. And I'm going to end the video with that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, and check back for more.